Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous episode. If you're here for the first time, we highly recommend watching the video where we talked about the history of ice cream in the US. Now, let's put your memory to the test. Was ice cream first invented in the United States? No, it came from other cultures and was brought by European immigrants. Did President George Washington hate ice cream? No, he loved it and spent over $200 on it during one summer. Was ice cream only for rich people in the early days? Yes, it was a luxury treat for the upper class. Did the invention of the ice cream truck happen in the 1700s? No, but the hand crank freezer helped make ice cream more accessible in the 1800s. Did ice cream become less popular after World War II? No, it became even more popular when soldiers returned home. Is Baskin-Robbins known for only one flavor of ice cream? No, it became famous for offering 31 different flavors. Do Americans eat less ice cream than most countries? No, they eat more ice cream per person than almost any other country. Was the floating ice cream barge used during the Civil War? No, it was used during World War II to serve American troops. Is ice cream never eaten in a sandwich form? No, ice cream sandwiches are very popular in the US. Is ice cream considered part of American culture? Yes, it's a beloved treat and cultural icon in the United States. Watch this video several times to reinforce your learning. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos from this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.